Hi there, Will Rice with the TIPS team, bringing you another after-school special. Today we'll be learning all about Google Chrome extensions, what they are, where to find them, and how to manage them. Google Chrome extensions are small apps that extend the functionality of your Google Chrome browser. They only work in Google Chrome browser windows and can be found in the top right corner. As you can see here, some of them may be pinned out for you, such as the read and write toolbar, and if you move to the right, you'll see a small puzzle piece. This is your extensions launcher. Clicking on it will show you all of the extensions that you have installed in your Chrome browser on this device. Note that if you're logged in and syncing your Google Chrome data to your Division account, these extensions will install everywhere that you log in and sync your data to that device. You'll see here that on the right-hand side, selecting the pin icon will add more of those to the top bar ready for use, and unpinning them will hide them back. Depending on the screen real estate that you have on your device, you may want to have different ones pinned for you to use at any time. At the bottom of this extensions launcher, you'll notice the Manage Extensions button. This is where you can see which extensions are installed and uninstall them if you no longer need them. As you can see here, clicking on the icon will bring us to all the extensions that I currently have installed on my device. Some of them, such as iBoss Cloud Enterprise, Mobility Print, Gopher Buddy, may be installed for you by the Division, and in those cases you will not see the remove button or the ability to disable it. Others that you've installed yourself, such as, in this case, Eyedropper, which is a color picker for me, or Read and Write for Google for Staff, you will be able to remove and or toggle on and off. Turning an extension off means it will no longer work in any Chrome window until you re-enable it. Clicking on remove on an app that you no longer need and confirming that you would like to remove it will simply remove the file. A tab may pop up created by the developer asking for your feedback about why you no longer need their extension. You don't have to fill this out if you don't want to and can simply close that tab. One way to access more extensions is to use the Google Chrome Web Store where all Chrome extensions are found. One way to get there is to go again to that Manage Extensions page and click on the Chrome Web Store here in the left-hand corner. Google searching Chrome Web Store will also get you to this store for Chrome extensions. As you can see here, there are a number of extensions to review, and clicking on the EPS button at the top will show you a collection of apps that have been recommended by the Division for you to maybe use. Remember that the extensions available to staff are much more robust than the number allowed to students. So before you recommend anything for a student, it's important that you ask a student to check and see if it's available for them. In a minute, we'll take a look at where you can find a list of apps and extensions that are already available to students. As you see, you can scroll down and they're organized by different types of activities, such as capturing your screen or annotating the web. And if you're looking for something in specific, you can go ahead and search. For example, searching for a product can be as simple as searching for the manufacturer or the type of app you're looking for. For example, we know that Read and Write is made by the company TextHelp, and searching will show us that here's Read and Write for Google Chrome, and Equatio and Orbit Note, and Screenshot Reader. These are all products that many of your students may already have installed or have pressed, and it will already tell you if you have it installed, and you can go ahead and manage it. Always returning to the extension launcher and back to Manage Extensions will clearly show you the ones you have installed and which ones you can remove or disable. Finally, you may want to see a list of apps, extensions, and other tools that students already have available. To access that is as simple as going to our Division website at TIPS.EPSB.CA, and in the very top bar under Essential Resources, clicking on EdTech Tools. This will bring you to the Privacy Review database for all the tools that are in general use in the Division and used by many students and staff. You'll see here that you're able to search by the type of app and whether or not it should be used by students. As you can see, Read and Write is right here at the very top of the page and is an extension. Scrolling through may help you find additional tools and extensions that you want to use with students, such as Screencastify, Flipgrid, Grammarly, etc. If you can't find an app or extension that you'd like to use, or you have one that students do not have access to and you would like them to add it to the reviewed database, you can go ahead and first look at the instructions for use, learn more about third-party apps, or talk to your principal about requesting a review from this database page. Hopefully, this quick review of what extensions are, how to manage them, and where to access the reviewed database and request additional extensions will help you get started adding extensions to your Chrome browser to make yourself more efficient or add functionality to the browser window that you may like to use. As always, if you have questions or concerns, please do reach out to the TIPS team at TIPS.EPSB.CA by finding your TIPS team member and emailing them.